You know,
course.
all of us have make up to me that I wish they were here.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Naked?
Oh, no, not naked.
We were young then.
Good morning, Philippines!
Oh no, they won't say Isabel. Will you marry me, Ayuyuy?
What if they say that?
She doesn't want to get married, guys, again.
No, once it's enough.
Yeah, one is enough.
Yeah.
And you love your husband so much.
Oh, I do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have good kids with him. Right?
That I've been very lucky with.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thank God for that. Because other people don't have that luck.
I mean,
Just the kids don't care about
they
them.
don't listen.
They don't, yeah. But I've been very, very, very good at it. You know,
You're very lucky.
I'm very lucky.
Your husband is very responsible.
Yeah.
Because I heard a lot of good stories about your husband and you. Is your husband very Italian, ma'am? I don't know. I don't really know about my father-in-law, guys. So I don't know him.
He's not Italian.
He is Italian.
He is part Italian.
Oh, he is part Italian. He's not pure Italian.
No.
But it's more Italian, right? Than
Yeah, well.
So is he like have that Italian like like that?
Oh yeah, he was character.
Really?
He was a good person to be with and go out with.
You think me and my father-in-law will get along?
I don't know your father-in-law, but
My father-in-law is your husband.
oh,
So you think me and my father-in-law will
they get along.
You think me and him will get along?
Oh sure.
Is he talkative? Is he talkative? Talkative, like it's fun talking?
No, he doesn't go on and on like other people do, forever.
He is like Tommy.
Yeah.
He is like Tommy, your son.
Very much like him.
Look, guys, my father-in-law is just very much like Tommy. That's what she said. Because I'm curious. I'm very curious about my father-in-law. I'm curious about my brother-in-law, Louis.
Louis was another character. He was very, what can I say? He's more set than Andrea. He's more aware of things, how you do them.
I heard even when he was sick, a lot of people that work with him helps him everything.
Yeah, very well right. We felt it when he went.
Yeah.
But, hey, the man up there knows what he's doing.
He's watching you.
Yeah,
Your husband and your son is watching you guys.
I get a spell that I missed them.
Of
You know,
course.
all of us have make up to me that I wish they were here.
Yeah, I'm sure you, like, you know.
Yeah, I was very close to them. Hey, it's not my rule.
It's his up there.
Yeah, it's his, and we go by his.
But Tommy is very good person.
But Tommy is a very good person. And if you need help,
he
he's
is there. He's there all the time. He is very responsible. He helps. Yeah.
Yeah, you can
He
depend
is
on
Tommy.
it.
Yeah, Tommy is very friendly.
Yeah.
And you know,
Yeah.
he get along with people very well. But if the people doesn't like him, he won't.
He stays away. If
Yeah.
they don't like him, he stays away.
Yeah. But guys, Tommy is a troublemaker when he was a baby kid, right?
Yeah.
Tommy is a troublemaker when he was a kid.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
The two of us would get together once in a while. Make my mother go crazy. I feel bad for her. He told me we'd put the bicycle, the two-wheeler bicycle, put this thing to stand it up. And then Tommy, being the youngest, I followed him like a little, you know. And he said, okay, come on. I said, what are we doing? I'll show you. Show me. Get up on the bicycle. He made me get up on the bicycle, up on where you sit, and stand up.
You stand up in the back.
and stand up in the bicycle on the seat of the bicycle.
Oh.
And nobody holding the bicycle.
Oh, gee. And what happened?
And stupid me, I would do it. Because he was my brother. He knew what he was doing. And he'd take pictures and whatnot. But he had me doing all kinds of crazy things. And I went along with it.
So you guys are it's close to each other?
Yeah. The only place where we weren't close was when he was going out, and I knew where he was going with his friends.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to go, and he, yep, this is us guys are going. He wouldn't let me. But
That's nice that the two of you are close.
yeah, we've been very close.
It's just the two of you.
Hmm?
Just you and him, right?
Yeah.
They like you?
They liked me, but they didn't allow me to play cards with them.
Because you're the youngest, right?
Because I'm the youngest,
Yeah.
and I'm a little girl, you
Yeah.
know? So I used to sit there and watch. I knew who was cheating and who wasn't. But all the guys got to know me. They got to be good friends of mine, too. Yeah, we had a good crew. Good group of guys.
And you have a lot of friends also?
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Not as many as Tommy, because the girls don't
yeah.
allow that much, you know.
Yeah.
But I have some good friends also. So we really made good friendships, not you know, somebody
Yeah.
that would take us the wrong road.
Yeah. That's not good like
Yeah, yeah. And they came to our house. They would sleep at our house. They would go with us
Sleep
places.
over?
Oh, they were always at our
that.
house.
Where you were live before? In Pennsylvania?
No, we lived in Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico, and then
Mhm.
you come back here. How old are you when you come back here?
How old
When you come back here in the U.S.?
to live?
Yeah, living here.
Between 21 and 24, somewhere. Because that's when I took my job as an airline hostess.
Yeah.
That's how I keep the time. But I had my fun.
Yeah. I'm sure working at the airlines is fun.
Oh.
You go different places, right? Is it international, ma'am?
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. You go different countries.
Different areas, different places. You
Yeah.
meet different people.
Yeah.
You make friends, you know. You get.
That's good.
I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it.
It's a good memory.
Yeah, it's a very good memory. Have very good friends, and we used to get together and have a good time.
Yeah. Yeah. I me too. My days are gone.
Yeah.
When I was, you know, like playing with friends, jumping in the river.
No.
Did you try that?
No.
Under, the water, jumping with
Well,
friends,
I jumped
naked.
in the water.
Naked?
Oh, no, not naked.
We were young then. We were very, very young.
You were very young,
Yeah.
you know.
It's different now. I cannot be naked anymore. It's really
If you
scary.
did that now.
It's scary.
You better watch out.
People will run away.
They run after you.
No, they run away. There's an alien. There's an alien. There's an alien over there. So guys, I'm going home. I'll leave my mother-in-law now. Say bye-bye, ma'am. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
No. Bye-bye.
See you Monday.
See you Monday.
I'm coming here Monday, guys. Coming back here Monday. With Tommy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, with Tommy.
With Tommy?
Yeah.
Where's he coming Monday?
To see you. We're coming to see you. You don't want to see us? Okay,
No.
bye. Oy, we're gloomy.
I thought he was here Saturday Sunday?
He's working.
But not Monday.
He's coming here Monday, Tuesday. He's working sa weekend.
Oh.
Yeah, alis lang ako guys. Punta na ako sa bahay. Hopefully magkakat ako ng grass. Kung hindi, uulan. You've been doing? You've been sleeping in grandma's bedroom whole day. You did. You did, Zoe. Zoe, look, Zoe. Zoe, play, Zoe, play. You're not a playful cat. You are not, baby Zoe. You're so cute. I'm home. I know, I'm home. I know. Let me put this one, salmon. Aroy! Ginoo ko. Ang daming pagkain, aroy. Let's go out. Magkakat lang ako ng grass. Magkat ako ng grass. And alin doon? Yawi. And then, Mama's gonna cut the grass, okay? Mama's gonna cut the grass, okay? You guys behave over here, huh? You guys behave over here. Yes, you two behave. Behave. Natapos ako sa pagkakat ng grass mga 7:04. You quiet. Don't attack the cat. Yung kapitbahay namin may pusa. Gusto nilang laruin. Don't, ay nako, lagi ba? And yung side, bukas, hindi ko pa talaga tapos. Yung bukas is magkakat. I'm going to cut, at the back. I'll cut at the back. And then, I just cut the front and the side. And after that, I did weed walking. Yung weed walking, nakakapagod talaga din yung weed walk. Ay, you know what my little man doing here? In the spare bedroom? What are you doing here? What are you doing up here? What are you doing up here? You're not allowed up here. You are not allowed up here, bug. Ano ako mag-mask. Maglagay tayo ng mask. At saka, I have to take off my first. My, tawag nito, my foundation. Kasi naglagay ako ng foundation eh. Hi guys, reflection lang kayo ngayon dyan ha. Ito yung gagamitin ko guys. Oh, ito siya. Hindi nyo, weird kasi nasasamin kayo ngayon. Wala kasi akong kita nyo sarili nyo doon yung camera eh. Ito yung gamitin ko, purifying, I don't know kung makita nyo. Purifying black charcoal mask. Open na siya. Ang daming. Where is for the face, the nose, and the thing. Now this is the face. Feels so good guys. Ang dami siyang extra oil niya. It's, alam mo, hindi niyo kita. Get down din man! Get down. Serum ba to? Yung mga dito. Alam mo yan dito sa liig. Okay. Hi guys. Ito na siya guys. Tignan niyo yung reaction ng aso. Come here, Miss T. Roxy. Roxy, look at Mama. What? Look at me. What's wrong with Mama's face? What's wrong with Mama's face, huh? What's wrong with Mama's face? And I know time check. It is 8:24 na. And I'm supposedly be lying down, but you know what? I still have to eat it because tomorrow I have a lot of things. I have a lot of things to do. You know, continuation, cutting grass our backyard, and also what else? Yeah, clean the floor. I have to mop the whole floor here and the first floor. And after that, I have to go to the garage tomorrow, guys. I have to go to the garage to put everything what Tommy brought from the other house. I have to put it all in the attic. So, yan. And things. and things. And or else I'm gonna end this vlog. I will see you guys na lang, okay? I will see you guys na lang later. Or I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I know my face is so weird right now. But yeah, so thank you guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you don't subscribe into this channel yet. Please do. And I appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night.